What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you guys. So my people, I'm going to run through the intro quick and fast and just get into the business. So right now, K, TikTok lawyer and some other people at it, you know what I mean? And I don't know if I'm going to get to explain certain things or, you know what I mean, give my opinion on certain things right now because I'm kind of busy. Right now I'm busy place. So here I go and I still go to the video. So here I will get in with people. And we also have King Tavi X, have some things to get her for her chest same way, and anything you don't know here in the intro, definitely I go see in the video, so I could get in with people.
You know, me got urban.
You know, him no one no carry my name. Like, come on, honey, you have to blame yourself. You need to be angry with yourself.
Liar, she don't want angry with herself. She don't want to accept the fact knowing that say as she do it, and the end of the day, as she blood clot do it of her own, cause up to now, she can't say a 10 make she do it. I know she can't say that, you know, cause the boy never, ever asks her for no, as she come for change the narrative of the boy. And the boy has tried to show her, I said, listen, me did used to walk from Spanish Town to the bridge, go take a bus or take a cab. You come now, take out the money, buy me car. Me never put no gun on your head. Me that wear Nike, start make me wear Versace. Me never put no gun on your head for that. You that tell me about foreign when me been at this, I'm not foreign minded. Me good here saying in Jamaica, leave me alone and come and do the most. You come and do the most. Somewhere, somehow, still in a liar. She not gonna get the flap, you know. Whether Jamaica or foreign. Somewhere, somehow, she still not gonna get the flap. Whether China Chin or somebody else, she not get the flap. Same way. The flap that come same way in the blood clot. Cause the boy never want this. Suck her mother.
Go on like on no sense. Stop bring down woman will go to real emotional blood clot stress. A girl, 24-year-old girl called my phone and tell me say she's sick. I said, who are you?
How she get your number?
She said, me nah go telling a lie. Me and him used to sleep together.
Here ya.
Him borrow my money.
Here ya.
And don't give me back my money. I'm sick. I have things on my skin.
I wouldn't never class.
I want it on her skin.
But him borrow our money. Said, how much money? 70 grand. Took our money, do fuckery, and say I will give her back. I called him. I said the girl want fuck her. She not get fuck already in her hole. She not give me her money already. I said she's sick and she need back her money. If you take this, I am not talking about if you fuck her or don't fuck her. But she want back her money. I said to her, I said, you're 24. Why did I get up and give one big man your money? She said, okay, me and him used to sleep back in the days. And somebody happened to the car. It was my car that he was driving. And him said, don't want you come from foreign and him not fix the back your car.
Here ya. So in that car, woman in a... When the mama clad this. Lord have mercy. Lord, if you're not busy, stop ya.
But liar, that no strange. You go buy a man a car where you know is a man without have you alone. You know, must then if alright, put me myself in another 24-year-old shoes there. My man have a car, what girl buy him? When me for the walk go look for him.
No, but she say a fear car. It was fear car. You know, yeah, she said about theme car, something happened to a fear car.
That a K car, the girl.
Yes.
Yes, but it no matter. The girl go in it. Same way no matter. Me la go in it. Me na have no. Me,
no,
me
but me I say you are talk to girl per phone when you in a fear car and I sleep with your man. Where she could have call her explain to me. Now, listen, I just shut the girl explain what happened. But let him want hear nothing from you. If he 10 borrow your money, go back to 10 what you call me for.
Then I must she the girl call forget about the money. Now must that's why the girl call.
Listen to this, sir. Cause this let me listen to this.
I'm gonna blood clot this.
So when you know get up on the thoughts and I come talk about who a mother and she need to get over this, you didn't went through the betrayal that I got. You didn't spend money that I spent to make them look good, to have their backs. You didn't waste your time. You did not leave you and your business behind to drag them up. You don't tell me motherfucking nothing. nothing. I did that. I went through that. I stood there in the time of hurt by the mother. The only person that ever respected me and showed me any type of love was his father and his same sister who's overseas. So you don't tell me how to feel. You don't get up and get over betrayal. Betrayal play on your emotions daily. So if I don't heal, I don't heal from the betrayal. It is not him. He doesn't have any power over me. If you lost what I lost, you would have felt the same way. If you gave what I give, you would have felt the same way. Stop going like on nonsense. Stop.
And look bad.
So cocky Shanshan.
Go on,
Shanshan have foreign family and none of foreign clothes. Me done blood clot said you and Jamila them chat K. Me done say all Jesus in every chatter with the angel them kind obvious. She give people things to talk. Fuck up battery beat Shanshan them fucking and 9th Street gully and bag your blood clot face. You can't come about me. Right Shanshan with the only girl wear sheen when nothing look good pie will come from sheen. You had only girl wear sheen clothes and don't look good. Shanshan the slippers them one dash way. Jamaica stop make slippers long time. Back market lock down long time. A Bridgetta wear. Right the pussy Shanshan you cannot come about me. Me done some for blood clot say. You and the whole fraternity are a man mascot. I don't know how people make uno influence them.
Rockstar, I wish Shanshan.
Fuck out Shanshan a par with K where K I say her sister and not a real sister.
And I wish where she come from.
Punish town them come from.
Oh, Shanshan lift up off of this no blood clot. You can't put blood clot Rockstar over here. You're not thinking, girl. Who the fuck you? You ain't care for God. Give up on the life no blood clot.
Can't go like nobody. Care God. The truth are the truth. And she come chat her business that way a comment pan it blood clot and I repeat back what she say. Kayla look good back way. You know go like she a God. Kayla look good side and blood clot back way. Me done
talk. Girl for Kayla pussy clot. Careful come put the whole of the bus them on her skin for blood clot America Road and work for NTA.
No, she need to
send her yard.
She need to send her yard cause Jamaica shot a school bus and rubbish blood
she
clot.
She forgot run it down there on JUTC company in a pussy clot. Thinking K. Who is K? K
yeah, response. May I carry the news or me get it. Them say I'm not a real sister and then them say I'm not a real sister.
We not
me I carry it or me get it.
We not care she a blood clot who. When I busy share who?
I went time Shana the den and the gully with Bop. And Shana in the world I run with. Shana thinks off on them more. K is a blood clot man in a woman body. K come like the boy them where act like girl. I saw K coming like on internet. Me tired her. Me dey on TikTok for blood clatter. And me give them a throw over there when me blood clot because shit me clean and foreign. Nasty Shanshan. You can't tell me for blood clot. You not terrorize me over here. You not terrorize me over here. TikTok kind of fool now blood clot loan.
Right. Right now, the way them I get to me, want to vamos Rself off on the internet. Every time me I look for my FYP, I K, me I see I'm not saying, then K them could influence all me. K will man, everybody could influence me.
For man, woman, I will make them on the whole fraternity.
In a one?
Which other influence shadow?
In a
Which
one?
other influence shadow? She have some serious thing on her and she still not take up the serious thing them round her. She have some serious thing on her, she not take them up, she have to go the fuck with them round her and people not for talk. It's annoying, it's boring, you need to wrap up.
Come down now, you say you keep a divorce party and you and the man left the man.
Down, man.
The man we know you never come about Shana Chin and blood clot tape on the vacation cause them look so nice.
Babette,
them look matching.
Babette, from last year March and the man left, this March make 1 year. Why this can't done? Eh?
Why you tell us say
blood clot? She and who is the man
we never know me to find somebody who beat Queen him.
Eh? The man
she
that
beat Queen him.
Life. Lift up, man. Lift up half away and go on where you go for true, man. TikTok did better without your girl. We don't see you come over here and set no trend and do nothing. Girl, I do them body long time. As soon as you know Shana body do. I saw 9 years Shana, but girl do them body long time. Girl put on tattoo a long time. Girl
Then care body look good.
What kind of channel come set more than for
Then
my
care
blood
body
clot
look
man
good.
and the
I'm
whole family?
rockstar. Care body look good.
Look what?
Look
Can't
wish
turn back when
all the blood clot party where Kay said she keep the divorce party. Who put Kay in the ugly blood clot jeans and white shoes there? Kay look good at the party there.
That. You're foreign.
Who
Why you
put
doing
Kay in
that?
the boots there?
The
Jeans
front
and
not too
white
bad,
boots
but when the
down at
short set
Jamaica.
go, the short set never make fear body and her shit.
Jesus Christ, me eat the shoes not
She
blood
need all the skin
clot.
stocking. Where was the skin stocking? Una go like una rate up some girl over some. The girl can come out and fix, but me don't know what the fear back part she can't fix. Una go like she a god. She can't make the navigate ever.
I must for who where she depend Jamila, Shanshan and them girl. God for who? Kay could have teach me something. Kay me could have learned in a Kay class.
Una in the comment section. We no blood clot yet no girl. We just talk the truth about a girl. And we supposed to talk because of the girl come tell we our business. So if we want ball it out, why she if tell the world or we not tell the world? We have follow the blood clot girl we attack our business.
One glammy 30% for other liar. Blood clot. She has somebody.
I be a hypocrite there on her, Babette.
Them wicked war.
Babette, for you see she bother off a change in mud pan her, it look body gone to the dogs.
Raquel. Them wicked war. One of them run God party. I tell her, I say, Kay, what you do?
What go on, my friend?
You know, Raquel.
My friend, what go on?
Raquel.
You're born and grow Chilani and you not take down Chilani and carry each other Chilani and she don't know Chilani. Or what do you know? The truth are the truth.
Okay, put that
girl, the whole of with the American clean shit, we can do the things and what a girl can do too. If a girl get lick a simple thing.
Me a behave, Sharon.
Kay can't let a girl over here. You mad? You know so
much. Come a jungle, come.
A while ago, they mute because you say me now mind no man me mean. They mute me over champagne just a while ago. If me say me now mind no man and me mean, what problem? Case if I come out her and I chat. And they mute me over champagne. Me do not need Raquel. They mute me because me say me now mind no man me mean.
We don't walk out to we no mockers. Cause she have mockers okay when she say remember she fuck on the car top and run at the yard back. And she come tell we. Remember she got try so good after she left her man, you know. When she left her husband, when she try go so she so good what you know. She come tell us that she try so good and them that tell her, them that say why she said up on the internet and she have a daughter, you know. She have mockers.
She don't respect her to them. That for number one make me never like her. She too loud and she talk everything and
for
she
somebody who say them have kids, you're too disgraceful.
Yeah.
The next 10 years when you watch back them screen recorder, how you gonna feel? See my call now bring up Shana one them. I saw you when them come back come answer to care. See my call now search for Shana and go back. I Sophia when them come back to wait till next 5 and 10 years from this. When time she feel like she fully change her tone Christian. She got them time she gonna feel disgrace. I want to know.
She on her body. We don't know say Kay on her body. Can't start mind the man.
Walking,
the woman. The mother.
Walking,
everybody will come on the phone and say something about 10. She mind them. I'm sorry, me never. They in that league. They come in that after call her and scam her in a blood clot.
Oh, you mean?
When I
ask we don't must go up and eat. We don't must take an idiot train. Then
Raquel and my opinion we got blood clot. I will go circus park, I will see clown, our face pain. I will see Kay, we wash a pain to face no blood clot.
Oh, you mean, red shoes and big afro wig. 90s.
And big red nose no blood clot.
I want to do them.
We are go up in front of her, she paint with face. What are you thinking, girl?
In the comment section, this girl will have foreign family and don't have foreign things. Take me on.
Shan, go tell your sister for go learn sense. Where? You should have beat your sister. Cause I see my sister go down the road, them a beat her, kick her down and beat up her blood clot.
We can class them too. We can class uno back to what do uno. And we people like me we add up, make them can get gift. And me and those other people make them a get gift to come over here and lazy and I want to walk.
Then them could I get my money? Thinking Kay could I get my money? Me could I give Kay my money for go get a girl?
Shan man,
talk about 10. 10 deserve what she give him. 10 deserve what she give me no time of fuck her.
Lego 10 shirts.
Lego the boy prosper. Where? The boy tell if you come take him from Nike and buy him blood clot Louis Vuitton. The boy comfortably in Nike na blood clot. Where? Thinking girl.
On the app. I
I don't care who uncles who. Somebody need to tell her about herself. I don't care.
Make sure go.
Are you can talk a story? Are you can talk a story and people are talking? No, I don't care. Somebody need to tell her the truth.
Victoria not keep no secret with
That
Uno.
have a thing to do with me. People can't tell a story and look like a fool on the internet. People are going to talk.
Liar. Yeah, that means the truth. That's we cup on our side and bring down 10 points. 10 points innocent cause all we are going alumni your system sticker up our beggar. And each time
exactly.
don't do something, she go behind him back and do it.
Do it. Exactly.
She come and
Thank
see
you guys. Exactly.
She worry him and go build 10 ring. Lord of the blood class rings up a number 3 and she reach at 10 and 8. And people have to talk.
After stick like me could bring down 10 pints. Up to now, after all and where everything I go on with. 10 pints never ask her for none of this.
Nothing and she make we know say never that beg her too.
Listen up, the boy never asked her for none of this. The boy did comfortable and walk, go take him bus, him taxi, anything where me have to take for reach him destination. I hit him in that.
Barry friend car, Barry.
Yes.
Friend. Listen, me not like idiot girl. I don't like idiot girl. Me not like no girl with mine man. Me not like no girl with mine man.
And that we say. We can't say can't buy my shirt.
Me not like no girl with mine man.
When you take over meet them fan, take over him driving part-time life and no, you come down and you want him look nice and they care 2 little gears. But the driving part and not give them them money that gone over the bone. That gone over the bone and that's the truth. And no like the truth. The whole on a hypocrite on the girl. Tell the girl the truth and tell her to lift up off of the internet.
Go breeze herself. Get herself a break.
She not come with over here.
Get herself a break. Cause if me see my friend and go on so like that and me see the world upon her, me have to come together and say, listen to me.
Come off.
Just go and go relax. Cause at the end of the day, this not come back. You lose and you just lose.
The truth.
We are big people. We must can't talk to one another. You say me and your friend Jamila, whatever, Shan, go and go talk to your friend. Go talk to her. Tell her, say, listen to me now. This is too much. Done now. Everything about ending.
In the chat. Who is she if she in the chat? She come from Panis.
Where she lose? That's she not lose. I know she not buy.
People, let me tell you something. You see them woman here, them to go because them would do the same thing. You know what I mean? And maybe because them don't have it to do it. You see what I say? So if a woman have a man where don't have it and I take care of the man, what wrong with that? Tell me what wrong with that. Look how much time from back in the days up till this day, man I take care of woman and give woman the world and the woman them still even left them for a man we don't have nothing for the time. You see me I say nothing wrong with that. You see me, she love the man and she there take care of him. What wrong with that? So then if you start bring down the woman virgin and love the woman, you see me I say, because nothing wrong with that. Man take care of woman, why woman can't take care of man? You see me? And the woman hurt, so why she can't vent and express how she feel? Then people have to go, man. Look what some woman people.
We not business what you want come from. People that anyway.
Chat never add nobody in my box. Anybody me add make me know who we add. Cause the girl we come try get live lock up.
We not business what Shanshan and K want come from. We go through anything where Shanshan and K come from. Where a jungle we come from.
Them I know.
What she talk about? We not care where she want come from.
No boy could make me not buy my house. Also generation wealth.
Also investment. My mother always tell me say a house is an investment. You can't lose us for a house. I should take fair money and buy a car. And the boy write it off and trick her and make a girl call her say things upon her skin and send 50,000.
One mate call and tell her say things upon her skin. Bobby, me lock down from this, you know, cause me start thinking about AIDS.
Right away. Instant.
Me can't say my money come here, come in and know what going on my bloodstream.
Exactly.
Me have a contact 10 out 10. Check up time virtually. Cause me there friend in their yard and me can't come at the time. Check up time virtually. So we're gonna do Zoom meeting the time now. We're gonna look on the phone when we want to see the result and we want to hear the doctor talk.
Exactly.
Oh, me for come back to send your money and girl, you make me weak. I want if me have AIDS.
Exactly. No, of course, you can't say somebody, but when they do, listen, chat, we're not over here to speculate. These are the things coming from her mouth.
Here, yeah,
These are the things coming from her mouth.
Blood clot K. So who wants a 1K a phone no business? The alphabet consists of 2K, capital K and common K. We no response which one of the K if uno wants say a 1K. We no response. We are talking
what's
here.
up?
We are talking here.
That's what up. Can you add me? Who is the anointed one? Me no know no. Me no add people. Me no know in my box. Me no know who no.
Raquel.
Me no know you. Who this?
Yeah.
Who that chat about real person?
Remember, so we know all the ropes go. First thing, I may could call our phone. Can you see for your call phone? And then I say it done.
That means
instant.
also get the number. Must the boy get the number?
Then I planting. From me say call my phone a planting that no blood clot. And then someone knows say ten no rape me.
You get the boy want get rid of her. So I want 8 stories them a try bring pan her to see if she get afraid and run, you know. And she still stand up in the midfield.
And that's the first thing that come to me. I say, oh, you know, rape me, can you make all the girl get my number where you have?
Yeah.
And the first thing that come to my mind. And then the second thing that come to my mind.
Nobody never trying to defend Shana.
Oh, well,
Shana,
man, Shana, so she can't give up, man.
We not be doing
defend none of them. Me not defend none of them. Not one of them me not defend.
Joe Banga this did mine, Shana, and Gulliver did mine now. She get body out tight and she get car out tight and she get furnished house out tight and she get a lot of money out tight and she travel from Gulliver name. So if Shana want mine, man give Shana. But who
business me not pick up for none of them. Me not Shana, me not hear what Shana have to say yet. Me hear what Kay have to say.
Everybody.
Listen,
me not hear what Shana have to say.
The girl takes 50,000 easy from Kate. Cause just by the girl tell her to she have things on her skin. And Lord, here I'm a woman. Yeah, woman. You have the one of the strength. Hey. I'm know so the man when I'm there with the while the first thing that me that put up on my head, you know, hey girl, I come phone and tell you I think something now.
Even if I support the message, me I hang up off of me ear about the skin thing. All of you support the message from me ear about the skin and the skin and the bad flu. Here to come with bad flu and sore.
Rockstar, first thing, remember, so she said when she called 10, because we are listen to a liar, put up where we are listen to a liar, make we are listen. Here, remember she said after the girl call her, you know, she called 10. And when she called 10, and I tell 10, say, a girl just call her phone, say, she owe him 70,000. She say, 10 say, we are take talk from a girl from me don't get the fuck already. We are busy. And you still take up 10 to our kind of name.
Yeah, Raka Gibraltar. We are working with the boys. No, she want good
girl, yeah, Raka Gibraltar.
No, she's the
whole world for your head.
She's the fairy godmother. She full of magic and money. She rich. She's a fairy godmother.
Jesus Christ!
All if I like she tell why she tell like for herself to look like an idiot.
For look big.
That me a say.
I can't look. She look tell like for look like.
Yeah, because why you tell like for yourself to look stupid.
Imagine I try to make the man look bad and make everybody turn pan the man and come talk out your whole guts and I use backfire pan.
You're not thinking when about 1K. I want to know in the comment section I say 1K, you know, one another same thing.
Yeah, the man don't talk.
Make we finish listen. We are 26 more minutes.
I hope 10 mother tie her belly for her son. I hope she tight. If she that tight one time. Tight 3 times.
Your mad 10 things tell right now.
Because some person know where them a fling fan with them mouth.
Somebody said they have a brother figure K. I want it backside.
Everybody have to have somebody figure. Remember she come to help us. Remember she was one of Jesus' disciples when I walk back at him.
Remember
them great miracle. Hey. Remember them turn the water into wine.
Hold on there. Kia, what your name? Kia, what your name? How male-centered? When girl poop, different girl fool. When girl fool, you class them. What kind of male-centered? Male-centered. And K male-centered. She a mind man. And she male-centered. No, mute her sister. Mute her. Unmute them. Make them talk. As long as they're not
don't mute them. Make them come up. Because we're afraid of them.
If we male center, I chew over here too long, I listen to the woman make we end also. I hit her, I shoot her back away. I shoot her back away. Because all is said and done, wrong is wrong and right is right. And no care strong and wrong cannot be right. No time, no care what.
We done say, she for leave 10, make the boy go on,
yeah.
And make him name rest in peace. Leave the boy alone. You know, so every time she come about this, you see Candy, that's why I love Candy, because every time you see a screw record with Candy, when me listen to it, I don't know about nobody else, but when me listen to it, I came attack. I came attack.
Exactly.
I don't have no man. I am a lonely soldier, drunk crow. Fiat. No come.
We are the Candy's on the life messy. Him, she can't, she attack, you know. And she can attack when him said on a life message, she thinking care.
Yeah.
I came attack. Yeah.
Listen, man.
Fear
listen, uno can't force things from man. I when man be rebellious.
Your friend was saying you, and the proof is out.
Uno cannot, man. Make we listen where she else she have to say, 26 more minutes left, you know, preparing herself.
Oh, you come at that, boy, man.
Them for dead.
Remember seminar like
and everybody unmute and talk. Everybody unmute and talk. Everybody unmute and talk.
Blood clot.
Real mother to lie. Everybody unmute and talk.
Me can't live dirty life with dirty man. Me don't know dirty life. Me don't know
blood clot dirty life. And that was blood clot. Again, everybody this cigar. Nobody
know dirty life. You do comfortable with dirty life.
I'm gonna take them pressure tablet.
Well, I'm a champion. I'm gonna wrap up dirty blood clot liar. You can't say liar. Me can't say. Any day you can show your identity from blood clot TikTok. You can in an argument with me. Come see them go for one bubble. Wrap it up, man. Wrap it up. So all you want come click live. We want to see your identity.
And share not listen to share not friend nobody at this
show your identity.
You so like and share not friend nobody at this blood clot girl. But nobody know pick up the K. Hey girl, go suck your mother. We have to pick up a blood clot K too. Just like how you have come on nobody at this K. We at this blood clot. And if you want bring it blood clot big bitch.
Bring it blood
clot try it.
Them two old people man that we are talking about that send them a cheer for. No young boy no want uno perform.
Go look alive, man. Go look alive, liar.
Uno cheer for zero can no look at fuck. What do you mean by? Me don't give up again. I'm champion. I'm gonna wrap up them blood clot.
Them over the something in the blood clot, girl. But nobody know for sorry for girl. Go suck on the mother. We have sorry for her. I'm sorry for sorry blood clot for. Move your blood clot, liar. You have girl over your page at this blood clot, girl. So we go over your stand this your blood clot back. And if you ever blood clot continue this blood clot, girl, you gonna feed hands a blood clot way. Can you meet the right blood clot one them yet? You must think say you're a blood clot bully. Mad blood clot girl. You're not bully for no blood clot girl. So we
none of them over this up on the live. None of them over this up on the live. Not even know K in person.
But blood clot
and come and pick live okay. And come and pick live okay.
You're so like unfair. Them will bring you down. But everybody happy for them bring you down. But when we attack, it's not okay. Go suck on the mother.
Champion, you saw me deactivate my page. And ugly blood clot can't go up on screen. Liar come by me. She and her minions them. Liar what can't put up. Liar. Me dear you to show your face from blood clot.
Blood clot, my
girl. Any girl you can do that. All any girl them in them worse than show their face. Me see she wrap up your blood clot and you can't come out, come show a picture.
Liar can't with
blood
me.
clot, me dopey photo. Liar, you dopey blood clot photo. When them put out the bubbles here, woman, and say blood clot, yo, I know you can't come out and say it's not you or it's you. You can't, no girl, you can't show them face by social media, can't have a blood clot argument.
I want, listen to everybody
Well,
English.
I know, no, remember something cost to every blood in your body.
They want everybody to bring down care.
Dirty woman on your blood clot rock star. Mama say something to you. Cause you talk about buy Versace for 10 points and me never give Shanshan not no. My sister never hungry in her life for blood clot.
CM so.
Never.
Rinse it out, what you mean?
And that's a fact.
CM so.
Never.
Blood clot.
That's a fact.
Shanshan make you
No
come blood
time at all.
clot.
Shanshan know every pink one if I drop down and
Rinse it out, care, what you mean? Rinse it out.
That's a fact.
Just when my next sister come class me, right now she blood clot story. Ask them good. Me kill one out of fear. Don't blood clot ramp with me. Oh, so rockstar, show your face. Cause you start jungle your blood clot come from. Right? You know for the past. You can't
Shandaya, somebody say Shandaya and I chat. Shandaya.
On the
Make Stan send the friend request. Where Shandaya?
No, actually.
I want to know.
Champion, so she said clack that.
Where she there?
Yeah, she said like that.
Shan blood clot.
One rod.
Them not know nothing about them.
Oh, Jungle. Listen, K, stop. A Jungle, she come from a blood clot. Spanish town where blood clot come from. So you know where blood clot come from. When they are foreign, when they are foreign, when they are blood clot.
After this game, I have nothing more to say to them after this.
Real blood clot life. What do you mean?
Them blood clot one, them one
Bust it up, man.
Nobody for blood clot bust it.
But Champion,
Spanish town badness we said too.
Champion, none of them we attack none, okay?
None of them we attack.
And that's what Jesus will do for children.
None of them we attack.
Nobody pick up for nobody.
None of them don't know the woman in person, bro. And come and quick live.
Rockstar will look like they want suck up 10 old. It over there for your suck, I love them something there. You see, anytime when you see them big woman, you come out for a young girl, I chew them do them time and fuck be a young boy and left blood clot behind. No, that friend can't come tell me so you never give boy nothing. No for no one to give boy nothing, I chew not have nothing to give blood clot boy. Me meet zero did a zero when my blood clot meet him.
And me
zero. Hey, top talk no man, me
wrap it up.
Wrap up them blood clot. Come in my house good and deactivate my blood clot page.
I'm gone silent.
Alright, people, tell me what you think in the comment section. And then people that we are, you know what I mean, try bring down the woman and you know what I mean, disrespect her or something. My people, right now, me not on no side. You know what I mean, I'm happy for Shana Chin on 10 point and K, me sympathize with her. You know what I mean, because you know what, she go in a relationship and fall in love and give her all to the relationship. You see me, but the mistake what she make, are giving her all in the relationship, and enough man do that. You see me, I say you have to take care of you first. You know what I mean? Although we can't say she never did take care of herself because she have a house of foreign and you know what I mean, she have other things and rare. You understand? But you go on with people, she do a lot for the man and that a play upon her brain, you know, and also say the man a dig out the next girl belly like how the man used to dig out for her own. You see me, I say, yo, Shana Chin say nah left the man. You see me, so Shana Chin glad say K left the man and she get the man. Although she never did a plan for this still, it happened, you know what I mean? So she get a good thing and she go hold on upon it. If K wants to say the dog no good, well, Shana Chin find the goodness in him because Shana Chin say, yo, this is one different man from what K talk about. You see me? So I don't know how to think the people record some more.
Only a woman when I have blood clot ambition would I meet a man in a one shoes and not live no blood clot way and not have no care and can't do it and not do it. After me I no couldn't more when me I come to Jamaica 300 times a year for and in a people blood clot rental when we can put money together and build up with blood clot self. You know some clown. Anything when me talk me not regret it. Cause you meet a man a zero and you can't make him move. You're blood clot 02. I show 10 point them say me a bad girl and me a top girl and any boy will walk beside me have to be top boy. But him like the 0 moment. So me left him in the blood clot 0 moment. Go suck on no mother. Blood clot.
When me a try to say, listen, them come on TikTok, them attack, right? Them a say, when I come talk about Jungle Rima or Spanish on or what the fuck that have to do with it? Everybody now pick them blood clot side, but we pick a side over here, so. What that have to do with it? The woman deactivate her page. Who say the woman call nurse, mad, everything. The woman gone silent. And the one up on the woman name, and nobody have to pick up for her. What the fuck wanna think this is? She has somebody child too. But fuck on the mother lie and her big pussy friend them. And lie, no blood clot to come up where you can blood clot in.
Let you stay there now. Let your blood clot stay there now.
Make you stay there.
Liar! Me want you argue with me when we can see what you look like.
Not all when I'm monkey blood clot. If you don't want
to. You ugly duppy. Chew your duppy in a sheep clothing blood clot liar. No girl what can show them pay face on TikTok kind of argument with me.
Liar,
you're upset. Stop telling people them why you
never like liar from morning.
You're upset because you come from a blood clot life and me run you off. Tell me no want a big pussy girl tell me not no. Me never come in your blood clot marriage yet. Dirty woman. But that's why I'm telling you something I like people. Liar, remember me not even know your number. You call me much time and me never save your number in my blood clot phone. Remember good no? Remember blood clot good no? Me no walk a friend girl come here, I'm a friend them long time. I'm a set on the straight. You see Shanshan? Uno can't rob me no? Uno only can rob Shanshan because Shanshan manage every dollar for me. Ask her Rashida there so. Ask the people them when them order who them go to. Every account, everything, a Shanshan have it. 10 pound never know my pin code for my card yet. 10 pound, you know what born blood clot, you know not talk about mine, man. 10 never spend my money yet. And me spend my money on 10. 10 never spend my blood clot money yet. So anything me I buy, me have to see it. No blood clot ramp with me. I make sure I do things for 10 to make myself comfortable. If I ever go boy yard and boy now no care, I'm a drive Benz a blood clot for
I remember good, remember the time they travel every minute come to Jamaica.
Make Shanshan
every minute K come to Jamaica, every minute K come to Jamaica, so she's supposed to, if she want to do it, she's supposed to. Anything that make she be comfortable, she's supposed to do it. K mean to me anything more friend K me get. If K tell me no, you see she call my phone, well this, check your account. K never tell me no.
No, Shanshan telling how you spend our money. That is
me know every pin code for K. What day she get one new card and the code change. Here now you know my code. Me say K go on. When me tell her the code, she just start laugh. She said, "Boy, me can't hide nothing from you." Me said, "No, me know where every money them. Me know where every."
Them people on TikTok going like they living a people.
Just like this 1 second. Listen, I don't want a big pussy girl I want. I'm a post. I come talk about bias. The woman over there say with her mini means them a talk about K. It by right to K can talk about she. That's how we are doing for any friend we have or any family member.
But to everybody go through it. Almost everyone go through the same thing. It's furthermore, anytime they on the internet, I go over K yard. Anytime I go over K yard and my bag, my pocket, you see me, I come back over with my bag. Anytime, anything when I go over there, go see me, I say.
Chosen, listen what me I try to say. The people them sit down pan K and them say K mad, nurse, everything. Alright. K is a champagne and the whole of my friend there, not even me alone, everybody. Me I delete my page. You know reason K activate her page a while ago? Because through the whole of people gone like
yeah, through the whole of people are come down pan her, bro, and that no make no sense.
She delete her page after she gone silent. And when she done, she delete it back. She a go on the internet, because make all of the money for herself. But when they go sit down, we now go sit down and make uno cuss her and them can retry. Who this the comment section I call my blood clot name? Oh it go.
From morning liar the my name. From morning. From liar the time you put people in a box, go put up your face.
And nobody can see a lie.
I pay a drunk crow, me see a swam dump on you like your blood clot.
Unfair, man. Stop it, man. Too blood clot unfair.
Me never like liar from morning.
Them leg off our shoes now, man. Leg off our shirt.
Every time I phone, my fight.
Leg off our shirt now, man.
Yes.
What is in the blood clot bar? We done make money already.
Yes. Clap that now. Clap that.
3 days me and you caught money, my sister, babe.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yes. Remember Nobody say you not give me nothing right now. Me have your money from party night.
From party, I know me not go for it.
Oh God, tell him do that and beat you.
Check this. Check the money you alone. Just check the money you alone. How much money? We sell
Hey, no, say no,
350 blood clot.
Hey. Them no need to know that.
Blood
Them no
clot.
need to know that.
Don't tell all
Stop
your
them,
story.
madam.
You gotta delete back the blood clot page and we have to
Me hate them. Me never like liar from morning.
What you say again? And jeans and anything that come up.
I one thing me can't tell you no.
Big pussy rock star. Big pussy rock star.
Yeah, class.
No, big pussy rock star, me tell you this. Yeah, come talk about okay now, buy me no clothes. Girl, me not even go to.
When
Me
the way
not
come
even
in
go to. I want to time me come out of me yard. If I not care sometime, it's up in my house. Me not need no clothes.
Me should have come in there.
Listen to me. All right, stop. Me not care when no big pussy girl wants. And a girl and a secret for me. Me not listen. Me not sleep out girl bed. Me not catch a girl yard. Me not live down. Me can't. If you want to talk to K, me can't talk to K. No girl can't silence me.
Walla no, the whole of them a talk about the fuck them mama put on. Me never hide no fuck. Me see girl go on internet go deny fuck where everybody did.
Where's to the way him say?
Me not deny no blood
The people them on moderator.
You borrow nobody pussy? You borrow pussy, you borrow.
Me hear the Rself Afta club big woman over there say, me come talk to my fuck pan car top.
And what? You never ID?
Hold on there.
Me a work man, no
pussy
worry.
you borrow?
Me have to get moderator.
One thing me know, me never fuck a boy and him never call back.
You know we can't what we can't.
Hey, what me I say, Kate? Me I talk about the facts. So listen, the people them want everybody to tear down and nobody standing. And just because them want have it to have one thing. K my man, K wicked, you know what she get now. Nobody never know God it. You didn't know say God a dead fool, no? God never dead fool on the sin said we here. God dig up on the cross and drunk crown and still
Well,
be cheering.
champion, K not gonna be first and she not gonna be last in my class.
See him so.
God dig up on the cross and drunk crown still be cheering, man. We be cheering enough time too. That's not no matter.
Member say him no like do not know. And the man is done. Him always say this, if me not have it, what you want me to do? I pass it back to somebody else.
Not because she low and she everything, but the only thing we care about Shibada say, listen, I'm a writer. Case that Shibada can say anything he wants. But if him say the girl let me look good at the party, she can't. Oh, she will have people spend with her. Listen, you know. Oh, she will have people spend money with her and come and say, oh, don't look good. Can that be a mad man? She can't agree to that.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. We can watch some more. Remember, so we have other things to share, same way. So we can watch some more and then we go over the rest of things that we have to share.
Woman can't
But
agree to that.
I never like she tell her be a hot girl in my party. Every girl who pass in my party look good.
Every
But I never see
girl.
just
Anyone on that comment section.
Not one female in my party. Me not
Every girl who pass in my party look good.
Me not telling no lie.
Well, I know. You see, two of them go say, Shibada ever back me, and Shibada now back me now. That means I told Shibada attack. Shibada could have back me 100 times, me not care. And Shibada could have just back me no time, me not care. You see, when people support you, you support back blood clot them.
But
remember, some now look for no justification for nobody. Anything I come talk, I tweet up on the blood clot internet. Make me come talk. And that's why I come talk. And this and that. Me why you can't tell me say I me a go beat you. Big pussy rock star and the ugly rotten teeth woman. I can't show your face blood clot. So the pussy liar. Which one I know go beat me?
Compare. Them say me and you cause for internet and me bring you down on social media.
Them don't know which one of the sister. Them don't know which one of the sister.
I never come across that video yet.
Them say them have screen recording.
I never come across that video yet.
Listen, listen, Shanchan and K, listen. In a blood clot matter, cuss on a friend now.
I cut because
I cuss the blood clot cuss. Listen,
me know
but any argument when me and my sister in you don't never keep on social media. You don't never keep on social media. Me and K war 7 days out a week, me and K war 5 or 6.
It no matter me cuss out my sister them blood clot when me ready and I cuss the cuss and we will go back
Me
tomorrow again.
them big woman are idiot and liar them are idiot. And you come tell me me not talk nothing. Oh, Champagne have secret for me. Shanshan have secret for me. Nothing was secret. None of you blood clot TikTok no.
Repeat it again, can't make them hear.
Everything when we talk on TikTok, I eat up 2 minutes, 0 no 0 we got chat me. Cause 0 always a chat me. 0 them have things about me. Let them out 0 so I can let out back.
Hello, Lego that.
Oh, don't call them name because really and truly.
Lego that.
Hold on, give me a second. Friend, give me a second. Listen, because them are come now and say, listen to me, because I know how to manipulate in and stay. Kay and our friend them a crash out now, you get tricked. Because if you over here from 10 people, over here, it was about 0 and Chin. It was about 0 and Bob. It was about the people them. We are comfy.
We are comfy, bro. If William, what you do over here?
Who says so?
William is still over here.
Molly.
Since William come off of this.
Me black already.
Can me wrap up them blood clot and place them in one bag.
Look how me deactivate my page. Me deactivate my page and say, okay, Shan tell me for done. Because here what happen now, everybody see what going on, you know. But I mean, everybody a talk about.
Yes,
right?
that's why I tell you, said, love it.
No, Shan, that's why I love it now. Because guess what? At the end of the day, even the man admit to it, say, yeah, me stop care for you. But me don't do it verbally. Remember, so me not do cool shade and shade. Me do blood clots or not. Me not know how to shade nobody. Right?
Well,
like how them shade me. Me only know how to come out brawling. Me is a
yes, so when K call, listen, people would think say K friend them not tell her to stop. We tell K say K just low it alone. Low it, just low
regular champagne, regular.
We tell them,
and people, of course, tell her.
People would feel like say, oh, them are hypocrites. We tell them to leave it alone. Big up Leshan. We tell them, who might feel like say, okay, Champagne, tell K if you stop now. Tell K if you stop. We tell K if you stop. If she don't want to stop, me can beat her.
But K, I won't big woman if she don't want to stop.
We can blood clot all and say, but the fact remaining, hold on, K. The fact me, Shan, and whoever in the box and whoever in the comment section, we have to ride with her because we are people. 0 of them people to us no life go.
So if you don't like the ride, this way I go on and go.
It don't come like PNP and JLP. Everybody riding who they want to ride with. You can't beat with for that.
Champagne, all when time K wrong, I'm tell her say she blood clot wrong. None of them couldn't make me come down for my sister and eat her.
Even the time, when K call me phone, I say, K, me not hear no more. Done no girl, okay, you're not done. But me never come out and
no, but last night, after she come off, like me and she and Jamila they on the phone, and we tell her, me I say, K, right now you don't own a bad no validation, so you not even should go over like go explain them to them. After when we tell her, say, and she tell me, she said she tired of it, so she did have to talk.
Me I say, when me I talk to K, for K, I'm a child.
Alright, well on the Champagne. Them say 1 year I'm still there on it. But say Shan, yeah, Shan tell me what they said, my sister, I wish me they have millions of dollars. And me that just delete your page and for your war with me for days. Cause I'm tired to get Champagne 1 year and up to this morning me still get message. Hey girl, you're dead. Every morning for 1 year. If me pity them not be dead and me for dead and oh man no want me and this and that and all of them. So every day I go through that. Remember so me I go through that.
Me even say K just try ignore it. And when she a ball. She a ball, me I say, K, just
it's a lot. I want to put but yo, friend, you K on the live yesterday, you could have seen K feel it. It's a lot they put on her for true. Anybody that feel burden, K feel it yesterday when she left on the live, me I tell you.
Yesterday the whole time, me miss her on TikTok. Well, I know, when me not there on TikTok, I want to understand this. You see, when me not there on TikTok and not talk, no. People stealing on my DM, go suck your mother, K. I want gorilla. Man, I'll threaten me, hey girl. Anyway, I see me, I go shoot in your face.
As I say, my people, I'm kind of busy, so I don't talk much. So I know who thinking in the comment section. Why them feel okay alone before K done. People, the way K sound, see, like say, yo, if you hold one of them people, you talk bad about her. I don't she go done them in the wickedest way, yo. Believe me. You know what I mean? And enough of them woman here, as I said before, them attack and I go like say, them no weak to no man and ray. And we don't know what go on for them private life. Just because this woman here life public, you see me I say, and she a go through it, you know, them not have no right for bring down the woman because them may be the worst. You see it? What with people, me not lie, wanna tell me what this remind you of. Like, this remind me of Queenie and Dewey. You know what I mean? Let me know if you remind me of Queenie and Dewey.
Like,
No, but tell people them not the man they come more fear now the woman then come more. If you want to man.
John
The man they care more than the woman then.
This is what Kay talk about. She not talk about zero. She talk about the people them who no still not get it.
I that she been talk about on her live yesterday. Although she not call them two name them.
Yeah, make a girl that say something, yeah?
Kay on I may try to send your request on your live. Come see link and tree that make video for your link and each up a send me straight.
We see that yesterday. We see that 30.
We don't talk to Lincoln.
We don't talk more than 30.
Yeah,
I know that. Nobody rub Lincoln.
You see anything you
Let
want
people nobody go tell no lie partner and then people come
Yeah, we not
Just low.
We're not talking about him, right?
Okay, you see anything you want to talk?
Blood clot we
Well, I'm not champagne.
No, we don't want him no clothes.
No.
We don't want him no clothes.
I'm gonna end my life. Wrap up
Champion.
Lincoln girl.
Wrap him up. Wrap him up. Wrap him up. Yeah, wrap him up.
We don't want him no clothes.
Nick, me never come ask you for pick up for me. See me by them for left care and our argument alone.
Well, me never
No
ask
matter
you
when
no
me be hurt,
argument.
all I know. No matter me come like say when me deactivate my page and I no notice. You say yeah to blood clot. You come like you want me active and keep a party every single day a week.
You're not going to do that because they're not going to do that. You have other things. You need to talk to Kingston on phone. You're not going to do that.
Me I keep a party every day a week.
Let me talk and come down.
Fish market like your pussy tam tam.
What?
Okay, tap cuss with the people them no.
I feel
them, girl.
What's up, your mother come you cost them blood clot.
What you mean?
Stab up your blood clot. You want him never there, but him stab up your blood clot and you used to mad over the boy. Me go for my phone check and show people cannot lie me I tell from you. The last time I see you over Jay, the boy they sitting, yeah talk about the crazy baby mother and Ray. Remember you say that time I never acknowledge you, know? Me never come contact boy, you come me say watch the hanky panky here. Watch the blood clot hanky panky here. I go on like your bumbo clot good as. You're right, if you think you're good as guy, if you fuck a mad boy, eh? You all are friends for real fuck you out. You all are friends for real and you still not get a bus. Even Chatterbarrels grind out your mouth. You still, you never see one suck sound what makes sense to. Eh? Me say 10 pattern ever for me blood clot, brother. 1 gram of zone and I'm blood clot, making drink it think I beer and kill that. Come in see how you fi contact, but girl will contact, but me short and me this and me that, and baby, and you have a blood clot wife up, girl. You have your name pussy long time, you. But you couldn't put it to your wife, your ex-wife, I should say. Your ex-wife, because you know, say, girl, a raw shoot and she come on contact. So you the boy with the clit. A long time you want to suck some pussy. Long time. You suck crutches. Sweetie bag. Move your bumbo clock. I have been boy, see bally over girl. So, affy. I suck pussy. Must. Boy, me love you. Sweetie. Go suck your mama too. Bumbo hole. I talk to you, look a blood clot, poor dog. You hear? Cause she want walk in a blood clot. When them dog the name big one them. We bite up people, we can't tell the other one. Cause she talk about she name controller. She really control her boss cause she control all of the hood them down in her blood clot tonsil. Alright, down there she control them. To I no favor mongrel, to pussy clot. Favor a little dog them where you know, some white people with dog them in their prom push so. I two of them that. You know, with the white people, and when I say I push it out, them in a pussy clad, prom. La walk and look in a blood clot store them and can't find anyone. I saw it two. See two of them up on the beach and run around. See them yeah? Me say watch poodle on the poodleless. Favor bumbo clot shit.
Me say watch it poodle and the poodleless. Wanna go man. Move on a pussy cloud from ya. Boy them a run. Fear fisherman I see. Fear fisherman I see. It two of them. Eh? Me not uno pay for video uno. Cause me that fish that man of a video uno really actually they broke. Eh? You want to see two of them? Fear when time fisherman that see and nothing na go on. Boy them a run out in a water and a type up something. Girl that me company I talk about last week and you here so you run come out now but me a buy out argument. Cause remember I saw you do. You walk and take people man and then you mash up the people them so you wait and find your time a coming up. Cause you gonna search for your blood clot balls and wonder where it there. You wait you could have left with that dead old. You could have left with that blood clot dead old. Me not ask if you wanna feel your friend them talk about you and pussy clot pain. But gorilla. I wonder which part of pan you a gorilla. Must say gorilla. You wait me say you're gonna search your cock and wonder where it there. It's coming. And then she come out about, guys, I don't want it. I try to keep it up in vice. Children! Stinking girl. But that's what she sound. Big and thick, no blood clot. You have a water balloon. You can't not chat things with me. Here? Because me no blood clot see you. Oh. Me no see you. From nowhere, I come bow me. I look this man, me depend me sit now. Me see somebody saying to me, I say, what is that now? I see me see I watch me video or I show up video. I show up video, but how can we raise that dead yeah? Because you need a fish and bread to blood clot finia, man, you never get finia, maybe so that's why me come back. Pussy hole idiot, y'all. Your favorite mango. I try change our vibes. I go up play these tent all the time. Shana, you can't argue with me. You can't cuss me. You can't come because you know nothing about me. And for your life, for your house, step a lighthouse blood clot up. Because Shana Chin, you've been using your crutches too long. You understand? You use your crutches too long. Chipping it back. You are use the crutches too long. For no want nothing. You move from one end to the next end. I mean, she gonna every day like she gonna up when I got a record and go up, when I got price right and go way up in that bush up so. Cause she da fuck the policeman and won the apartment, you know. Yeah. Me never up there she still live to pussy clot. Way up there so she there, you can't just belong in a watch it. You see me know where you live thinking, girl. Fuck with me, me don't know where you there. I had this thing I drove a piece of Mercedes. The whole car, the black Benz, up and down. Eh? I go on like ya. Somebody all I know like Shana Chin and no but ya no come off fire too. I don't can stay and carry back your blood.
Hey, I want to do it, my people. Come down like Shana Chin with a passion, you know. Me I telling you, you know. Mem with every bone when I come body come do like Shana Chin, you know. Jaja.
Like no, me no care what no one say. Cause no girl know about me. You can't cause me say, oh, you fuck cause and you young. One time me and cause a fuck, Shana Chin was 36-year-old and I was 38 at the time. So how far that? So you all have me blood clot all. So I tell you something. So you go on like say, you and him never had a fuck. Or after your mother for people them blood clot son for old. For little teely. Eh? You mother boy for little teely. And I talk say you know there. On big social media. But he never contact him and 10 point there. Him and him just friend. And the media say, the media this and the media that. You no go on favor we to our I walk a piss upon yourself as far as to it. Every time I see you, I see piss. And that's how all people may look bored. Anytime I see you, because we never happy with no blood clot. They can't live for social media. I mean, I live for none. I ain't time to call me name, I come about blood clot, you know, right through. Anytime you call me name, I come about, you know. Best believe. Don't believe me now come about, you know. I come about. If you don't call me name today, tomorrow, next year, I come. And no matter what I do, I come about, you know. I tell you that from blood clot now. Because you have no portion to blood clot, girl. First of all, there is nobody Because you can't show no title. Go suck your mother, girl. Anybody can start business. Anybody can sell bleaching cream. Anybody can have the Shana Chin and I have business offering. I mean, you heard me, but I have a location in Blood Clot in Miami. Me wanna who have location in Miami and I have no visa. What can I me fear one day who buy and fear fuck with them have sense. You are on business and you have visa. In a good foreign. In a good America. You have a location. I sell cream. In a good Trump place. You know how and in the business I go on a foreign, you have to have a business blood clot license. And you don't have visa, you have a business, no, you're Trump blood clot this. Me don't know why you don't announce that. You don't have no business nowhere. You may be a third party someplace, somewhere. You don't have no business nowhere. Go suck your mama girl. I go on like you're good as and you're all that. Move! Big old stinking shit. Every man you wake up and have a filter on your face like come here, man. You know, I know when I can move because I don't know because me a bleach. But just drink everybody a blood clot me too. You have to rub on blood clot makeup oil to get a blood clot spotless. If you have a look spotless. Oh. I mean now stop singing me sanky. The way you use your body hole and your tongue and your mouth and your crotches, you should have a title, a walk, a swing son. I say, I fuck a old boy, I'm a fuck a mad boy, but me get this out. When you get out time, all good thing you get out a blood clot, gully bapa clothes and boot. Nothing more. Nothing more, you know get. So me no say, oh yeah, come go on like, you want to answer me. And you call, remember them don't call the inbox you, and I tell you this. One good thing they can't tell us about that girl here, down our country is she fuck pay bad man and her man then dead. And when you fuck bad people, you have to look for two things. Dead house or prison. Me never think about pouring a blood clot and nobody not give them visa. But thank God if you will come cross the border. Yeah. I don't know if my man no come cross neither. None of them no come cross, they come right through legal. You understand? But when I call down there, they must say, me come move and go. Because, but then can't tell us say, me no live nowhere. Big house down a country come like a one blood clot apartment, they down there. And then can't say, me I make a house down there. You understand? Then can't say nothing more down there about me. Then can't say me dash on a belly. Then can't say me two pussy weapon in the up blood clot stairs and I'm living for them. Then can't say no more. If you call down me now, all then can't say, Kanick, they will pay a bad man and then can't pay a bad man in that place and police are full up in yard. Then can't say nothing more. Praise be to Jesus. Then can't say no more. And member say, you corrupt, Mr. Cuz. You, that's why I'm here till today. You corrupt him. You corrupt Cuz. Make him do then Uncle Sam country. Because even from a green card, blue card or pink card, in that go to embassy. And when he go there, in that tell them say, the reason why he coming to the state, of his supporting baby mother because lie everybody depend there. And you corrupt little boy. You tell him how you love him, and you go do this, and you go do that, and you go buy this, and you go buy that, and you corrupt him mind so much, turn him against me, say me a hobby, him and me a this and me a that. One time I good me one thing, so me can like you. Eh? Answer me. Can I like you? You, can I like you? I cannot like you. Are you making have a better life today because you know when you ring him and you twist him and you turn him in a menke. So me can't like you, bitch. Oh. Now when you call down there, them will give my blood clot file. Anything with them give, make sure them come with facts. Make sure them come with facts. Can you see if me they have enough man? And me a girl me no keep enough man neither. No matter what, if me even keep on, me a girl me don't keep it man. Cause me talking in my sleep. And me will call my next man name in my sleep. So me no bother with them pussy clot. So me a girl me never have no if a man all over a fucking glove. Oh. And from me at 20 me had one room for my mother house. So me still have a blood clot also. Call down there ask. When me are 20-year-old and me there in England, me had in a room with jacuzzi and my mother blood clot house. I make the house get big and turn in a mansion now. And me give my blood clot brother and tell them, say, watch ya, me want to make up my own place, me no want to add on. And I saw me start my house in our country, in my mother blood clot yard. They can't tell no more about me down there. Nothing more. Anybody a contact about Hobia this? None of you never follow me go Hobia man from the day my blood clot ban. Me never talk so me never go. Me go a science man to look about myself. From dirty nigga like all you. Went in a 2017 and 2016 and they hear it. And me never walk a long time me walk down a science man here and say read me. Cause me can't take that blood clot. Cause me love money too much and pray and Lexi need it. And me anyone a unu call me Hobia this up and me a unu and no mama and unu a them carry me go there and me a unu. And Shana chin me a rope up your blood clot too. Because you turn cousin a menke. And you turn him around and twist him around. So that's why me hate your dirty blood clot bitch. I come boy you combo me. But who wait that day? You bury me? You can't bury me? You can't even buy one blood clot bed. And you want to bury people. Eh? You have an 18-year-old son. Boy hate you. No man shop you feel up your pitney. You have an 18-year-old blood clot son. Eh? And the man then where you take a 20. That look good go suck your mama and go where you go girl. Me glad so me breed on the bumbo clot all. Me have Lexi one time me a 20 pussy clot 5. Me breed on me a 25 with Lexi. So me supposed to if take any young mood when me want take. Me guarantee if you do that. So then you can't come about me and you're no secret for blood clot me. Oh. Cause me never call none of you yet and tell you no say me blood clot only. And you come text it from me. And you come bumbo clot trouble me. You they come trouble me. Me never trouble you. And you come trouble me. Cause when me see you down a mobile, if me didn't know say you want him a fuck, trouble. Cause anywhere me go, and me see a girl me never talk, I probably can't find. And before we leave, we have to argue or we have to fight. And you see me with your 2 year them, and me and my nice baby father, I walk and I hold hands in hand, and he have my back crossing with my money. And he say, come on baby, and you stand up there and I draw down CJ blood clot shoulder. Oh, see me? Like you must say foreign girl. You should have come touch me as a foreigner. Like a pit in your blood clot, yeah. Like a shit. But that only got that area. I sorry say. I sorry say. So me tell me say me not follow Jamaica. Remember you have your crowd, you know. Me never care who want like me and who don't want like me. People, me not answer no request because some of them want come in here to come cuss and this and that. And me not waste my mouth for nobody with me no blood clot, no, or me no know no mouth. So all of who want still no can stay. Me feel answer on later and down the line. Me not sure. You understand? Yeah. Because some of them on TikTok are blood clot supporter them. And them missing a sitting. And Dr. Brianna want to fuck out the whole of Spanish town. I go like she has somebody. The head big fan favor pampas. Eh? Young little girl like a woman. Let me say I pay fuck no fuck. I pay nasty no fuck because Brianna a young girl and a fuck man where I sell coal. Eh? Run a market.
Alright, well, people, let me know what you guys think. We'll go over Tavi X next. So I watch some more of this and then go over Tavi X.
Back from coal, a fuck man where I sell coal. Coal for peace I am. Yam where you can. Me show some not top girl in the place. Me got be right now in the market. I want piece of me. I said, give me a piece of yam. Then not front and them. I said, and the girl also have a star on the market to sell it close them. And the man say, yeah, man, they say that for us. I want buy stuff from. And I said, give me a piece of yam. Me soon come. Me I get it. Me have name. Me have name. You understand? No name. Name a boy what you call Kabit name in a fuckery. Name a boy what you call my name in a foolishness. I have to boast and I have to blood clot talk here. I have to boast and I have to talk. I know Jamaican police that got my ear ask me if you want me to do badness. I not do nothing at all. Just by my name alone. Every time they go there, boy, cool girl full of tattoo there. What's your name again? Every time they go there. Because other people don't like me, so call down and say they will give a file about me. They will give a file about me now. Because even my own family, they have one niece who don't like me at all. So probably she can't give a look down, I don't know. I think I can't like you. Are you the contact boy? I tell cuz the big dirty moon face girl, you know. Tell cuz boy. Tell her so you want DNA. Now that's why cuz the contact. You see your brother shame on no bumbo wall. You see you got shame on no? Look on the split image.
Look how God shame you know. The look how moon face girl in a the little boy years old before you motivate the youth. And then they tell the boy about, tell us you want a fiancé visa. After me there, I tell myself, say, alright then, me go to me liar out there, so whoever else me go to. And me say, look at type in, I don't, me type in over us immigration liar, Virginia Beach, and what's this lie there tell? The man me go to pussy clock. I tell him, say, me want me baby father fi come, cause me have his name down for me, fi come in there, him and me poor attorney, fi shoot in case anything fi happen to me in the hospital, because at the time, my sister really never did talk. And me put on the boy name. So me go to him lawyer and tell him, say, okay, that's easy. You want him to come up and me say, no, I want him to go and get the visa. So the man do not put papers and bang around together, you know, people. And me now go to the back to the, me go back to me doctor now. Everybody I put in. Call me and say, yeah, him all guy. But say, me call the boy, me say, where your H paper, the big stinking girl only. Next thing, people. If I think I lie, me I tell me, can find me a Italian chat. Cause when you want the Italian, I look me and say, you would come show me now. Me never walk ni. The one view, me never walk ni. I know me never walk ni. Come here, say, look, I tell me Italian the alcos. Italian, me know say, look here. You know say, come. You know say, that girl a one wicked girl because when me and her start there, me say to her, say, she said to me, say, oh, no, lie. Come in, tell the truth. Italian said to me, say, one day in the upper yard, I dig up, I look for something, either in the drawer, I look for something, I want putting clothes them in the drawer. And when he look, he say, cause H paper in the drawer. And when he take it out, she come and take it from him and say, I cause H paper and she tear it up. And he said to her, say, no, give you thing, man. Just give me thing, cause you're in there. She said, no, me not blood clot, give him this. And she tear up the boy H paper. Thinking all. One night, me say any woman you see old people put in the H paper. Science! Remember that blood clot there. I'm my baby father, me never know when H paper look like a pussy clot. I must take one picture in this and go give me one time me and pick me. To pussy clot. Never go look at and see if me can remember when they pan there. To pussy clot. And you know, blood clot, baby mother. I don't know how you do a time up and you have H paper lock up with your pussy clot drunk through you. And I come and go on like you're somebody about who. Me say me can't tell you something. You're going to hit me say me. You think K hate you? You think K hate you? Check coming. You want somebody who will friend you up and poison your bumbo.
You go and do it. Exactly. Like, what am I supposed to do? Worry about people? I'm gonna do me. I wish I gave a fuck. All this I look so good, man. Here, hold on. I need to block him. Cause him look like him so good. Look how him lip them look. You look like you're so good. Like you're so good like dog. Him even look like a so good man. My true colors are showing now. Bitch, me never tell you me was no saint from day one. Did I ever come on this app and tell anybody I was a saint? Why? Because I speak standard English? Who don't want the pot will come out? When the pot will come out, be a Jamaican. How the fuck would you think this is? Did I come over here and tell nobody I was a saint? What? True colors showing? Bitch, I never pretended to be nobody else but myself. What are you talking about? Dirty ways. Oh my god. I'm done. You say mixed Jamaican. No, I'm not mixed Jamaican. I'm full Jamaican. Yeah, we speak English. I know it's a time and place, guys. It's called hi TJ. It's called being versatile. Jay, thank you. Listen, I'm full Jamaican. When it's time, if I'm in a professional setting, I can be very professional.
Alright, my people, leave your comments. Let's watch some more. Why we not lie still, you know, people. This a girl, yeah. We chip any man, we mash up any man chip still, you know, cause the body they no face them, we not lie. And plus it look like set Taffy never did I get no crutches when him and the girl link up, cause him dive face first in the girl crutches. You know what I mean? So that the show say him dash every pride and everything about him. You know what I mean? And just boy people, let me know what you think because what's someone.
Okay? And I speak Spanish too, yes. You have to be versatile in life. Like, if I'm supposed to disrespect someone, I'm going to disrespect you. You disrespect me, I'm gonna disrespect you. If I'm in a professional setting, I'm in a professional setting. This is fucking TikTok. You motherfuckers are coming for me. So I'm gonna defend myself. You tell me to suck my mother and I'm going to tell you to chop to your mother. Which one you want? Me do. You tell me if you can suck my mother, me tell you if you can dive in your mother. But I don't want to want from me. No. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I did not come here and tell nobody I was innocent, I was a saint or nothing like that. And I was gonna say me a wicked girl, and I said me rather be a wicked girl than an idiot girl. So what do you want? Be there though. What do I from it? And if I was an idiot girl now, you would have called me idiot girl. If I was a fool, I'm a sit down and take anything, you would have called me fool. So yes. So yeah, so if I have to be evil, I told you I don't have a problem being the villain in anybody's story. Y'all want me to be the villain and I shall be that. Thank you. If I'm the villain, oh well. Oh well. But I'm not being evil. I'm just minding my business and posting my shit. But if they want to call it evil and doing content, but if they want to call it evil, as they should. Swag. I'm just posting content and enjoying my vacation. But if they want to call it evil, oh fucking well. Oh fucking well. Boo fucking who. Yeah, I'm just going to live. I'm not busy about nobody. Nobody no business with me. Right now, if me for drop out tomorrow, everybody gone, bought them life, everybody live their lives. Oh, vacation vibe. Right now, if anything supposed to happen to me tomorrow, everybody move on and live their life. So why should I care? Why should I care again? We only have one life, people. And you can't tell me what to do. Go ahead. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I don't know, chat. They rather me come on here crying every day. Bitch, y'all really want to be miserable for like this is I don't understand. It's like misery must really like company, because why you want people to be sad? Like why people shouldn't enjoy their life and just live? I feel like if more of you were less miserable, this would have been a better outcome. Everybody should I wish everybody the best. I wish people to be happy. I don't care. Because why would I want someone to be miserable? You guys want me to sit and be miserable for what? But me never do wrong for true. But she said when you come a guest pan, but you follow me. You come me guest and you follow me. Right now the girl where you have fuck good layer blood clot sell her pussy. Go ahead. Stop saying DM because I not really know DM. You might call me guest man. Wait, mean. I don't know. What did I do if I tell you, girl? They'd be like, oh yeah. And you know what's the worst thing? The one them where talk about gas this and gas that, them don't never even see nothing around me. Them can't see me. Them would even get to touch me. Can't even touch me. That never talk about. What I mean? Hi. Yeah. So, who teach you how to talk so rough? Oh my God, I'm Jamaican. And since them I have to cuss them back. You know, since they want to be mad so bad. Let me come cook for you.
I work in favor because he can go back to America. When America make you know say yo, when you used to live Jamaica, if all of them, all right, listen to this, Dan. All of the gay man them in Jamaica proudly come up on the internet contact. And they feel like nobody go no see it. So when them feel like say people who used to live Jamaica back in the days and go America and file for asylum under the very fact that them pray to go to Jamaica because they are in the LGBTQ plus community and them life is a threat. America not deal with it anymore. Canada not deal with it anymore. And them see one company come mash you up. Because now they see where gay men are in Jamaica loudly coming on TikTok come talk to them are gay and living in Jamaica. So yo, that no work again.
That now, just like how them mash up the marriage thing, you know, the money and them mash it up and them come out and talk how much them pay and this and so now make them know say that happen. Because
exactly.
when somebody make the way for them want to mash it up for somebody else. And that's it.
Oh boy.
But as me say, man, me make the video yesterday and me say, John, oh Father God. You know, so me gonna load this still because me I tell you say it hurt me. When me say it hurt me because me I say, John, oh, the youth just get the pot in there, they don't go and film. That when I see him eat one look of food, that we stop him from go up on the road, go analyze people or do things up and then they go rob or shoot or do make him stay away.
Exactly, because them not understand say getting deport also. Him probably in a depression. Him probably in a depression and the very fact that him you know what, this can take him out tight. So you have one little space now when he can work with and say, you know what, although me get deport, you know, hey, you know what, me I make a money.
Right,
true.
You can't take him out of one thing. Every day. What we know when there. In go like that, you start stress out himself till he got end up shoot people, he got this, he got that, and all of them. Come on, them fi just low you, make you survive, man. Special and them a man too. I man them a do it, you know, like me I say, watch it. The man them a take up the woman they hurt now. Come on.
But the very fact, yo, me no know how them man a sit down and go watch all them videos. Me no know how him sit down and watch them every day.
Tell me now. I that me put in on my video, me say look on your face, look on your face bright. And some things when me see you keep up with like, why them have something that entice you? Like, come on, man.
Yo, if a video come out like this, when any other video they come out, I have a female in my team that will go.
Alright, well, people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? As Mr. Menas talk much on that one here. So let me know what you think about the situation with the Yankee. Because, you know what I mean, a lot of people, let me just say this, you know what I mean, not because people are come out and live them life in a Jamaica as swim around, that no mean say people know we do them things. Yeah, so me I say, I'm on the level my people, me I go just say this, because this is like, what I call you now, this is like, me I say one thing and I say the other thing too. People will do them things. You know why people will do them things enough for the time? Because some of them too bold with the lifestyle where them live. You know what I mean? So people will do them things. As far as the Yankee situation, me don't feel like nobody are gonna really do him nothing, but him are gonna just ostracize and people not gonna deal with him or something. So on top of him being out here by himself certain way, you know what I mean, then nobody not deal with him. The little family with him have out here not deal with him or something. So it kind of sad for him situation, you know what I mean, or sad for him. But let me know what you think, my people, because nobody not gonna really do them nothing to that, you know. You see it, but you never can tell. You see me? At Jamaica, this at the end of the day.
go and look at the video and then report back to me. Me nah go watch the video.
You don't want to see it. You don't want
No, me don't want to see it. No. Me tell one of my team members say, yo, go watch the video and go and tell me what is going on. You understand? And then from this, you know, come know say for me people them come to me with credible information, I will use that and do anything with me I do.
Yeah man, them for bill man.
So Zuri, what is wrong with that? Like that me not understand with us Jamaican. We keep on a run out that talk about saying gear and all of that. What that have to do with we? At that me want to know. All I know I say yes. So what is wrong with him being gay? We don't see no for them over here gay. What problem? Oh no, mountain. No mountain. Oh well, me don't know. Me can't say that in a car. Me no want Zuri, me no want to sue me for defamation of character. Me no know nothing about in sexuality. So me have to be careful. Me have to be careful when me I send up on the media. Can't put him, you know, you can't say Zuri car, but if I mean him come to me.
For a man will love to watch them something there. He might have a fetish. He might have a, alright, really me I go say something to you. You know say me then I get a one day, right? And a man said to me, say, you know, say me have a blue movie with two men, and me say me want to see it. And me say really, so me go home night and put in the DVD, come like me never know, say me could have start something and I feel lucky off and I want to see it. Me no want it in my brain, me no want remember, but me no want to see it. Me care about what me say, me no want to watch this. Me no want to see this, because me know this now, me no want to see it.
Wow. Yeah, the man himself uncomfortable and watch these things.
I want to watch that and say they're straight. You can't tell me say you're straight and you watch that. You can't tell me say you're straight and you watch that. And me a woman and me start and I have to cut you off and care about what you. Me have to cut you, me couldn't watch me as it starts. So my stomach, me say no, I'm unfair watch this.
Why?
People are going to talk all different kind of things now, but as I said, them have them motive and them know exactly what them do, and them need to give youth a break. Just like how people give them for them break and make them get them break, them for leave another youth make them get for them break too.
But Dan, if a man not set an example, you know, everybody go come do the same thing, you know. That's why yesterday me talk about, you know. Me I say, bro, if you know set an example, you go allow everybody to do the same thing. And if you feel as if when they do these things your life is at risk, that simply means your life matter less than taking making an example out of them.
True, you have to make an example out of them for true.
Yeah man, and I said to him, me I said, brother, in America you grew up, you know, family America where the laws in America govern certain things, brother. America in there and Jamaica in there. You don't have to worry about Jamaica. You see me I say? You can't make people put out certain information and pan you like that. That is damaging your character.
They might get hurt because guess what really? You see like it affect me and you and we and him and not related to it, but we affect us, so it go have other people where things will end up go affect and them go get hurt. Really hurt them. So I hope them know say the things them do to people on the internet, them go get hurt for it because them go mess with the wrong person. And the wrong person them go mess with.
What they me talk about, you know, when the man talk about the purse, the people them pick me are so good, and me say to them, say, yo, me say, when you go talk about the wrong person pick me, and the repercussion now go easy. Me say, when you depend on so not let people pick me alone. Cuss me and tell me anything about me. You can't tell me about my mother, but love me pick them alone.
Really, me know a man from capture. Where if you see him pick me and do something, you better you go talk to him about it. Because you see y'all go to people with him lick down your ground flat. If you talk about him pick me. Go to him and go make a complaint and make him deal with it. You don't call them the man that pick the name in your mouth. Them man they don't play with people pick me and them no one nobody play with for them pick them. So if you see him pick me and do something, call him and say to him, say, you know, say me see a youth, whatever, make him deal with it. But go to Tom the car about it and make them go hear back say. So you know say really can't say you pick me the member me tell you. I saw some people stay.